soon I subscribed to your app, sir. I took speed. I watched all the head and neck folder videos very religiously. I gave a lot of MCQs, especially the Scott Brown videos. And I should say that is the game changer to me. Moreover, that the grant test that your app offers, sir, that is extremely brilliant. Speed actually gave me that right track to be where I want to be. It actually, without speed, I could never have completed all these, the big textbooks which are curated into MCQs. I would have never reached here, sir. In 1 month's preparation, I never think like it would be possible without speed, sir.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute and Institute of Speed for Dr. Karthika Dinakar for scoring a topmost rank of 13 in MCH ENT group. Congratulations to you, doctor.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Great to have you in the session, and also thank you for allocating your valuable time to us to share your experiences and also with our students.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. Now, can we know about your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So I hail from Kochi, Kerala. I did my undergraduation from DMMC Wayanad, and then I completed my MS ENT from Government Medical College, Thiruvananthapuram. I completed my course in March 2025, sir. And then I joined as the bonded senior resident in my parent college itself. And then we had our mandatory peripheral postings, sir, during the senior residency bond. So currently I'm doing in Government Medical College, Idukki, senior residential.
Excellent. Great accomplishment. Wonderful work you have done so far.
Thank you, sir.
So the idea to do a MCH head and neck surgery started when, and how you got the interest to do a super specialty? Can you tell us something on that?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I'm not a person who joined or pursued my ENT course thinking about head and neck. The interest actually developed by the end of second year, I can tell, sir, when we actually started doing our cases, started getting good hands-on. I was naturally inclined to do more of larynx and rhinology cases apart from otology, sir. And towards the end of second year, I was quite sure that otology is not something that I want to pursue. I had a strong affinity towards larynx and rhinology, sir. And I can quote two exact turning points, sir. One of which is during our second year of residency, we have a specialty postings at Regional Cancer Center, Thiruvananthapuram. So, though it was an observership, sir, that actually opened my eyes. I got to meet a lot of fellows, a lot of MCS candidates actually doing a lot of stuff in the field of head and neck. Actually, I was very inspired. There was the TLM, there was robotics, and RCC actually made me think that, yeah, this is a good field and I can think about it in the future. And so the second turning point, I can tell it was during my final year of residency, where I actually got to attend a conference held by the Amrita Institute of Medical Sciences, Kochi. So actually there I had, I got the opportunity to meet a lot of eminent faculties from all over India in the field of head and neck. I saw a lot of dynamics and I saw, a lot of intricacy, the precision of the surgeries and how drastically changed the life of these onco patients. And, at that point of time, I actually felt that I want to belong in that community. And I saw myself there already, sir, in that, though I was a final year resident, in that conference, I actually saw myself there among them. Like I want to be among them in the future, of course, in the future. So, sir, I started dreaming from then on, sir. And that was, I think, sir, the major, it was not a love at first sight. I was gradually and steadily inclined towards head and neck and skull base, sir. Yes,
yeah,
sir.
I could see that. You lived the future.
Yes, I dreamt. I'm actually dreaming, sir. Still dreaming.
Very good. Excellent. That's how it is. So mentally, you become already an head and neck surgery. It's only a question of time to accomplish it.
Yes.
That's what it is all about. Very good about it. And that's how it is. And it's very good. I'm very happy that you're conceiving that way. And we know what is your methodology and preparation strategy that helped you to achieve this rank, and what all you did to achieve this rank?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, my course completed in March 2025. And our first NEET SS, that is a NEET SS 2024, happened in last year only, sir. So it was like just 2 weeks away from my final declaration of my final MSc results. I could not prepare much, sir. I just did a few, PYQs. I just went like that, sir. So in that result, I had an all India rank of 57, sir. So that actually was a point which helped me turn my dream into something doable. I felt the confidence in myself that it is like achievable. Like so I decided that this is something I want to do definitely, and I do have the potential. I felt that like that, sir, when with that result. And soon I subscribed to your app, sir. I took speed, and then came the INI 2025 April session, sir. So I gave full 1 month preparation, sir. Like I watched all the head and neck folder videos very religiously. I gave a lot of MCQs, and but GT was something that I lacked in that attempt, sir. Because with just a 20 days preparation, I couldn't handle everything together. So GT is something I lacked there. And so when the results came, I had an All India rank number 7 in
Wow.
April session, sir. But fortunately or unfortunately, we had just 3 seats during that session, sir. And I was okay. I was like, fine, okay. With 20 days time, this is the best I could give. I did not have any regrets, sir. Until when the counseling process eventually processed and the last seat was allotted to All India rank number 6, sir. So, yes, sir.
Oh
So
my God.
yeah, that was like I felt a little too much low, sir. I was not depressed, but I was little, shaken. I
One seat, one rank.
yeah, point 0.6, sir. That 2.6 was a very close shot, sir. So I was kind of off. Came a little low, but then gradually I came in, like I adjusted myself so as to accept the reality. I took that as when you do that bow and string with bow and arrow sports, we pull that arrow a little back, and then only we shoot. So I took that rank as that, sir. I was taking a step back so as to bounce forward. I came in terms with my fate, and then I focused on my senior residency, sir. Then full 2 months I was into senior residency. Then I was transferred to Government Medical College Idukki for my peripheral rural postings, and then the NEET's next notification came. So I again started preparation again. I still had the speed app, sir. I still had. I Now and then it was not a full-fledged preparation. Now and then I used to watch some videos and all. I used to keep my thing in touch. And then just like a month before the final NEET I gave the full-fledged preparation. And sir, I religiously watched all the videos in your app, sir, especially the Scott Brown videos. And I should say that is the game changer to me. Yes, sir. And moreover than that, the grant test that your app offers, sir, that is extremely brilliant. I should say, rather than reading a lot of textbooks, we get a lot of input from your grant test, sir. I have done like almost out of 20, I have done almost 17 or so grant tests, sir. And each grant test, I should say, is like a representation of many, standard textbooks. So instead of mugging up or trying to read a lot of textbooks in one go, which is not feasible, I went the retrograde way, sir. I used to solve them, so I understood from which and which textbooks these are there. I used to bookmark the question. Each GT is from one standard textbook, sir. So that is extremely brilliantly curated. And each, MCQ, if I went wrong there, I used to mark them and then come back again and redo them. And I got my concepts there, like concepts right through GTs also, sir. And the videos, especially the Scott Brown videos, are extremely useful, sir. They're crisp as well as in detail, conceptual, everything together, everything in a shed, sir. The videos, the GTs, everything, and even your classes, sir. I saw the head and neck videos of general surgery section totally, completely, especially your classes, sir, which were MCQ oriented. I think that was also a game changer, sir. The thyroid, parathyroid, parotid, I've seen everything, sir. And the general surgery section videos also. And the plastics also I've seen, sir. I have done everything what I can, sir, in a month's time. So,
Perfect,
yes, sir,
perfect.
I'm here.
Great, great. I mean, you're very focused, very hardworking. You did all that you can.
Sir.
Amazing, amazing.
Thank you,
Doctor,
sir.
can you share something about this paper? I mean, what do you feel about this paper? How many questions were you able to answer in this paper?
Sir, I attended 146, sir, out of 150. And compared like the previous exam, actually, I, sir, attended offhand. Like I hadn't done anything for that matter. So I felt this one easier than the last, maybe because of my preparation strategy. But generally, I heard that this was tougher than the last year's. But I think that it is the preparation that matters. If you prepare well, it will be okay. I think so, sir. I don't know.
Good, 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 good. Great. Doctor, what will be your message for the future aspirants of MCH head and neck surgery?
Sir, if the juniors are planning on MCH head and neck surgery, you have to be really consistent and you have to dream big. And sir, it is like, I feel it is one of the surgical super specialities which has the least number of seats in India. Like if you, last time my rank was 57, sir. If I was in the general surgery group, obviously I would be in some super specialty institution by today. So it is not like that you have to be in the top 30 of the nation to be in that, to be in at least any of the colleges which offers head and neck as a course, and to be in the like, you know, the not non-private colleges, the government aided colleges, you have to be in the top 20. So consistency is the key, sir. You should never get, you know, laid back. You should keep on working, keep on doing the grand tests which are extremely good in speed. And the videos also, watch them religiously. I used to watch them in 2x speed, sir, and I used to watch them multiple times. Like instead of giving it in a go, I used to watch them multiple times. And yes, sir, when you are focused on it, you should focus, and hard work is the key, sir. Consistency and hard work is the key. You have to go forth. And on a personal note, I would say, sir, I would rather keep everything private until it's done. Like, cut off your distractions, keep only the ones who actually enhance your energy, trust or believe in you, and keep them close, like at least towards the exam. And cut yourself away from all the negativities and focus, and then I think you'll be there where you want to be.
Truly inspirational.
Thank you, sir.
Too good. People watching it will be really kind of getting a lot of things to be followed. And very good, doctor. Thanks for sharing. It's
Thank you so
wonderful.
much.
Time to thank and whom all you wish to thank that they helped you, stood by you, and from day one till date, you can thank all of them.
Yes, sir. So first of all, to God Almighty, then my parents who were extremely supportive, my mother, my husband who is like my best friend. He's been through this journey with me throughout. He's already an MCS candidate, sir. So he inspired me a lot to be there to give me the confidence there. And there are a lot of genuine teachers I had, sir, were really supportive, and a few close friends. And of course, the speed faculty, sir, the speed app, Mr. Danesh, Tejas' videos, your videos, sir, everything I have watched very religiously. I've done all the GTs, and speed actually gave me that right track to be where I want to be. It actually, without speed, I could never have completed all these, the big textbooks which are curated into MCQs. I would have never reached here, sir. In 1 month's preparation, I never think like it would be possible without speed, sir.
Very nice, doctor.
Yes,
Great sharing all your gratitude and thankfulness to all of them. And it's great, and it means a lot to us. And our speed team and faculty will be really happy and motivated to listen to your wonderful words. Once again, we wish you all the best and all the success for a great, wonderful, and amazing career in MCH and oncology. And as you wish and as you dreamed, and it has come to life, and definitely you can go through the process happily. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.